Hello, YouTube. I just got up. I'm gonna make a review of my gun. Now, the holster, this gun didn't come with it. It's a Crossbow holster. But the gun is a Smith & Wesson. It says it like right there, that blue. Oh shoot. It might be hammer just fine. It has a hammer. See? Hammer. Okay. Now, the clip will come out. It's a spring, which means it has a big clip. Now, that button, like right here, at the end of my nail, that takes it out. Now there's two notches. A notch at the end of this fingernail, and this one. That's two notches. Now, this is the first notch. That's the notch that actually lets the BBs in. I can take the grip off. Take the grip off, you can take the weights out. See?